Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by opening Garageband and choosing a live loops template because it lets you sketch beats fast. Set BPM and key now. This locks groove and harmonic center. Once done, enable the metronome so your clips stay tight and set an 8-bar loop to give space for patterns. Tap a drum cell to audition sounds and hold to record. Use drum machine or drum kit cells. These are the backbone of your beat and the fastest way to get a groove going. Next, layer your drum cells and melodic bits to build arrangement. Start with kick and snare patterns, then add hi-hat variations. Vary velocity and use 1/16 or 1/8 grid to humanize rhythm. Use quick sampler to drag in a vocal or one-shot, trim it, and map it to a cell. This adds character. Once clips are arranged, quantize selectively and nudge clips to lock the pocket. Make sure to mute/unmute. While arrange to finish, open tracks view to mix. Set channel levels, pan, and add EQ and compression to glue drums and bass. Once done, automate filter sweeps or volume rides for transitions. Make sure automation points are smooth. Use send reverb or delay on percussion for space, but keep vocals dry if present. Finally, export as a stereo mix or stems at the highest bitrate. If you get silence, check track mutes and output. For latency, disable Bluetooth and close background apps before re-exporting.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.